Alright, so this little tractor here has a pretty significant hydraulic leak. You can see it's wet on the axle there. It's coming from the hydraulic pump area. There's a couple O-rings underneath it and a rubber plug that usually will kind of shrink, obviously not seal anymore. This is BX 1870. This is going to be relatively the same, other than some differences in your ROPS and your fenders and stuff, for the 50 series all the way up to the 80 series. They use the same transmission, roughly. All that stuff. That plug right there is the one that usually leaks. So you got an O-ring here, and then there's an O-ring on the pump that mounts here. Another little O-ring right here. But you see how that guy's kind of wet right there? That's usually the culprit. Go ahead and pop these guys out too. There's part number for the plug. And the hydraulic pump. The hydraulic pump has a flat surface that holds that in place once it's bolted in here. Alright, there's those. Usually these brass plates here are what go bad and wear out. This one looks fine. this bolt here is exposed to the transmission oil, so I do apply sealant on the end of that. Alright, so there we have it. This thing's all back together.